everyone, welcome back to another Simon Says Stamp video. Today I'm going to be using this punch from Martha Stewart Crafts. I used it on our last video and I'm going to be using it again today just to show you a different thing you can do with the punch shape. And I'm starting out with some white cardstock. This is Nina cardstock. Taking a pencil and I'm going to draw just a little slope coming down. And then I'm going to cut that off. And that's going to give us an opportunity to get more of these houses and trees, but give them a little bit different of a skyline or a horizon line. So I'm starting out with the punch upside down. I'm going to come over here to the shortest spot. I'm going to keep it the corner of the paper kind of nestled in with the corner of the punch. Okay, so let's bring that in right there and I'll punch down. Bring that out. I'm going to turn the punch over and I'm going to come in over here, still keeping it kind of perpendicular. Give that a good punch. Okay, then I'm going to do one more over on this end and I'm going to get it really, really close. Okay, wow, that's really close. It's like a big house. That works. Whatever. Okay, so like we did before, I'm going to draw some pencil lines to connect the different punched areas. Okay, and then I'm going to take my X-Acto knife, just like before. I'm just going to finish these lines of houses and trees, same as we did the other day. So all three horizon lines are cut out, and now I'm going to take some post-it notes, and this one will be okay, but these other two where the lower horizon or the lower thing of houses comes up a little bit too much, I'm going to go ahead and just cover those areas up with the post-it notes. Alright, now I'm going to turn these over and I'm going to prep these to be a mask, and these little areas tend to pop up a little bit, so I'm going to use some Tombow Mono multi-glue. And with this glue, if you put it on your paper and then stick two papers together right away, it's a permanent adhesive. But if you let the glue dry a little bit, it will become temporary adhesive or removable. So it's a great multi-purpose glue to have on hand. Okay, so I put down my page protector. I actually just cut the page protector around the edges so it's just one sheet of the plastic now. And I'm going to use the same size of cardstock that we used to cut out the tree lines and whatever. It's 5.5 by 4.25. This is going to be the front of our card. And I'm going to take our tree line, which is our first little area, and I'm going to adhere it, well, temporarily adhere it down onto the front there. I'm going to be using an ink blending tool and distress ink in Ice Spruce. This is one of the seasonal distress colors from Tim Holtz. And it's one of my favorites. I used it last week and I'm just going to show you another way you can use it now. So I'm going to ink up the entire blending tool, but I'm actually going to really focus on this edge right here because I'm going to be bringing it in just like this. Bring it in from the tree line, and I want it to be darker along the bottom. Okay, so you can see that line really well. Okay, I'm going to take the next area. I'm going to put that down just like that. Okay, now we'll take this one off. Another little line of buildings. Okay, we'll peel that mask off. Okay, and that's the main portion of our card front. We're going to work on a sentiment down here. Okay, so I have this little stamp, and it is from this stamp set. Let me see what it looks like. The stamp set from Hue Arts goes right there. And this is the Merry's Christmas Wishes stamp set. Okay, now I'm going to take a white gel pen. I'm going to write "to you and yours" down at the bottom. Okay, before I do anything with that, I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to the front of some folded white cardstock. Okay, that's going to go right there, but I'm going to cut off the end at an angle about like that. I'll put this on some foam adhesive. I'm going to take that white gel pen and I'm just going to do dash lines along this inked area just to set it off so the card looks more finished. Okay, I'm going to round these two bottom corners with the We Are Memory Keepers corner chopper. I'm using the 1/2 inch. Okay, and that's the card for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that gave you a new idea on how to use distress inks and also this punch right here. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you next week for another Simon Says Stamp video. Thanks for watching.